How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. I'm drinking my coffee. Mm, I have an interesting video for you today. So, I was thinking, should I make this video or not? But I think it's a interesting video. I believe if you have the same problem, this is not a complaint or anything. I don't know if you follow me, if you watch my videos. So, a couple of months ago, I did a video which you can watch here. So I did a video a few months ago about Amazon, how they blocked all my reviews, and basically for some reason I couldn't make any reviews, which is completely fine. I understand Amazon, it's a big company, they have to check if all the reviews are legit, if all the purchases are verified, and so on and so forth. That's completely fine. So, but a couple of days ago, when I ordered a microphone, which I ordered the Samson G-Track Pro, I'm gonna leave it in the descriptions down below so you can see the review. Actually, I did a couple of videos about this microphone, very nice microphone. Check it out, nice microphone. So the problem was when I decided to ask, let's say, a question, because when you go to the Amazon.com, before you buy the product, people already bought the product. There's a section that you can send your question. You can ask the other people that already bought the microphone, or doesn't matter what is the item, just to have idea, to see how is the experience with the people. You can see if this it's helpful, because if they have some issues, they can leave a comment, and before you buy the product you already know. If the product is great, you'll see all the comments. If the product is bad, makes sense, isn't it? But when I try to do the same, so let me demonstrate now. So I'm on the Amazon.com page, and as you can see, I bought this microphone a couple of days ago, the date, everything. Let's scroll down now. So when you go down, as you can see here, have a question. Yes, I have a question. So let's for example, can I use the microphone with iPhone? As you can see, can use the mic with the microphone. This it's just generic normal question, but depends of the item. You need to ask, you need to see. And when you ask the question after 24 hours, 48 hours, some of the people that already bought the microphone or the item, they will send you an answer. So you get the point. So okay, a couple of people here, they answer. But the funny part is, when you scroll down, there's an option, do you want to post your question? So I want to post my question, but look now what is the tricky part. Post your question. Obviously the question needs to be legit, needs to be to the guidelines and so on. Let's post the question. Now as you can see, it's ask you again, the question is legit. Let's post now my question, and as you can see, voila, I can't ask the community about this item. It says the post account need to be in the compliance with Amazon community guidelines. Okay, so this is interesting. So okay, I was not complaining that they stop to make reviews or whatever. I still buy products from Amazon.com, but why Amazon blocked this option? This is interesting, because you buy products, many people buy products, 99% they buy products from Amazon. They do a lot of research, and they have to make sure that the product that they buy from Amazon needs to be okay, because people, this is the first choice. You go to Amazon, see the comments, and I don't know why this option is not Okay, okay. It's interesting because I can leave to not post reviews on my Amazon.com account. That's completely fine. But it's very important, I believe, for many people, because before they buy, they have to make a research. So I don't know if you have the same issue or if you have the same problem. I was curious to see if this is happening to you. Like I mentioned, I'll still keep using my account. This is not a problem, but that's completely fine if I cannot leave reviews on products. So for example, I wanted to leave a review on this microphone because this microphone actually is very good, and just give my experience because I use this microphone for the past a week already, and I'm happy with this microphone. So but that's completely fine if I can't leave my review. But this is important because you need to ask the other people if this product is good. I hope this video is makes sense. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below, guys. Do you have the same problem? Do you basically this is happening to you? And another interesting thing is, let me show you something else. I want to show you my account on the Amazon.com. Where is so your account? Okay, let's go to profile. So I'm on my profile on Amazon.com. So before I had like about 63 reviews and about 5 or 6, 7 helpful reviews. Helpful reviews is basically if you leave a comment, a post of a product that already you bought, and you leave your experience, people can like your comment, so your comment is helpful. As you can see here, 0, so I don't have any reviews, nothing, so that's completely fine. But I not understand why they block my option to ask the other people, the community, if this product is being good. So I hope this is helpful, guys. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think, if this is happening to you. That's why I make this video, because I think it's interesting. So I believe many people have the same problem, like the video that I did like a couple of months ago. It's Amazon, I'm not mad or anything, it's just, it doesn't make sense. And when I try to contact them, they don't give me any answers, any why. They just ignore, which is completely fine. It's Amazon, it's their business, but I think people should know why this is happening. Okay guys, I hope this video is interested. If the video is interested, make sure to like and subscribe. This is the only way to support this channel, so it doesn't cost anything. So just subscribe if you enjoy the content and like it. As always, I'll see you in the next video.